You knew it was gonna happen. Google just can't keep its secrets to itself. As yes, you wanted an unboxing of the Pixel 8 series? Leave it to the internet to take care of that. Reports have Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra actually being similar yet different, contradicting many rumors. And how about if we talk about the OnePlus Open, because that's another phone that the company can't keep under wraps. I'm Jaime Rivera, and yes, it's Leaks Monday. Apparently, as we're just, days away from a couple of interesting events. This is Pocket Now Daily. The official news today are non-existent, so let's start the video off with OnePlus because, we have the first live image of the Open. Yes, their first foldable. If you don't like the name, well, trust me, you're not alone. The company is making its debut in the foldable smartphone market with the OnePlus Open, as confirmed through a Twitter video posted by OnLeaks. The video showcased Indian actress Anushka Sharma handling the device, emphasizing its unmistakable OnePlus design and substantial camera array. Sharma's deliberate unveiling left pretty much no doubt that this was the OnePlus Open, revealing a sizable camera island on one side and an external display on the other. While previous rumors hinted at similarities with the Pixel Fold and Find N2 rather than the Galaxy Z Fold 5, it's more of the opposite, it seems, with a taller device, even if wider, meaning it's better than Samsung's approach, actually. And to confirm that, I mean, if you head on over to watch Lou's video at Unbox Therapy, you get to see more of what to expect, even if a bit more covered up. Leaks suggest that OnePlus plans to announce the OnePlus Open around October 19th, following Google's October 4th hardware event. The device is expected to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and the pretty good camera setup. We're getting closer to the expected launch date, so stay tuned as more information is going to surface. Now let's switch on to Apple because things apparently have not necessarily been going well for the iPhone 15 series. The latest launch has encountered mixed reviews and concerns, but honestly more from consumers than from reviewers. See, while sales of the new iPhones are going really well, issues with design, durability, and overheating have stolen the spotlight from the release. Complaints, particularly with the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max users, have emerged, with overheating being a significant concern, as these models feature the new A17 Pro chip. Apple hasn't really said anything, and I will say none of my review units have given me any problems. That being said, one iPhone 15 Pro user shared a picture of their device swelling near the screen's bottom, likely made worse by the trapped heat on the case. Apple initially cited factors like the device setup process for temperature spikes, which makes total sense during the first week as the phone is getting to know you. It happens with pretty much any phone. Regardless, users have reported high temperatures during routine activities such as scrolling through Instagram Reels or charging. That being said, at this point we already have 2 software updates, so Apple has been moving quick, so let's hope the company addresses that soon. Moving on, let's talk about Samsung since we have the first renders of the Galaxy S24 series. SmartPrix and OnLeaks have unveiled the design of the Galaxy S24 Ultra with some CAD-based renders that showcase the phone's design, which honestly looks almost identical to the current Galaxy S23 Ultra, contradicting a ton of rumors. It features 4 rear cameras in the same arrangement, a nearly identical rectangular shape with flat tops and bottoms, and the gently curved side frame. The front of the phone has a flatter screen edge, notably less curved than its predecessor, and then the report highlights and contradicts some previous rumors claiming that the new flagship would have huge and asymmetrical bezels. The report mentions that Samsung is actually working on reducing the bezels, aiming to achieve one of the narrowest bezels of a phone with symmetry and ensuring the bottom bezel matches the rest. Additionally, Samsung will incorporate a titanium alloy into the phone's build, resulting in a weight of 233 grams, making it 1 gram lighter than the current model, and I know that's negligible. The Galaxy S24 Ultra will reportedly be slightly shorter and wider than its predecessor, so stay tuned as, if there are refinements, it makes sense for it to be slightly smaller. And finally, for the hottest news today, let's talk about Google because, I mean, of course, we have leaked early unboxing videos of the Pixel 8 series just, like days before the official launch. The company is set to announce the new series later this week on Wednesday, but there have been so many leaks that it almost feels like the phone is out already. However, if you think that there can't be any more leaks, think again, because yes, 2 videos were posted earlier today showing an unboxing of both models. They're posted by PBK Reviews, a channel that usually focuses on drop test and disassembly videos. On both shorts, we can appreciate the USB-C to C cable, the USB-C to A adapter, a quick start guide, and of course the phone itself. The Pixel 8 shown in the video comes in a color called Hazel. This model apparently has 128 gigs of storage and 8 gigs of RAM. We can also notice that this colorway will be like a shiny gray and gray silver camera bar. Now, on the other hand, the Pro models are shown with a matte back finish on the back and the sleek black camera bar. The video also shows both phones lock screens, which suggests that both devices will come with the same on-display fingerprint sensors as its predecessors, but hey, that was already expected, nothing really new. But anyways, in today's question is no, I mean, with all the phones that are out right now, are you still considering any of these new Pixels? Because listen, in my case, I will admit I'm curious, but the competition is fierce. Honestly, for me, it has a lot to do with the fact that the Pixel Fold was good, but not necessarily the kind of phone that I was looking for. That's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on PocketNow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on social medias. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me debate the inevitable. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.